Alright, one of two things is about to happen. Number one, I'm going to plug this in and it works. Number two, it's not going to work and there will be sparks, poofs of smoke, or I will blow the breaker. Let's find out what happens. Set this over here. And 3, 2, 1. And just like that, we have a functional lathe. That was easy. Now I just have to button up the wiring here and get a on-off switch connected. And hook up the rails and should be ready to turn some metal. Here's the piece that was welded yesterday. Beautiful.